Hey, I'm Marissa. Let's draw some churros together. The first step we're going to do is to make a circle. It's kind of like this, more like an oval, I guess. Now let's create one of the churros by making a line, and then it's going to be a little zigzag across. We're going to go down a bit again, and then we're going to go around. From that point, let's go around again, and then we're going to make a little bump there, and then let's connect it to our first line. There we go. Now to create our churro, start from one side and then go down with a little curve and stop. We're going to do the same thing but on the other side. So start at one point and then go down and in, just like this. Now we're going to create another churro kind of touching this one, and they're going to be in a cup. So let's create our next churro. It's that oval shape again. So make your oval. There we go. Now we're going to create a line, and then from that line we're going to go across, down a bit. We're going to go around and in. From that point, let's make another curve around, another one, and then one more to touch our first line. Perfect. Now let's make a point from one edge, and then it's going to go straight down, kind of touching this other churro. So let's go straight down, touch that churro, and then come back in just a bit, just like this. Now let's go on the other side. We're gonna go down, not too big of a curve this time, and there we go. Now let's create a little cup to put our churros in. So I'm gonna start about here and then go around, touch the bottom of the churros, go across, and then around. You can make your churro line touch just like this. Now from this point, we're going to start at one side, and I'm going to go down and kind of taper in just a bit like this. Same thing on the other side. We're going to go down, taper in a bit. Perfect. Now let's make a curve to connect those two lines together. Looks good. I'm going to create a little heart just for detail. So the heart is a curve around and then a curve on the other side. Perfect. Now for our churros, I am going to create little faces before I make my churro lines. So I'm going to draw an eye that's colored in, which is just a circle. And then I'm going to do another eye that's colored in. And then for the mouth, I'm going to draw a smile. And it's going to have a little curve for a little smile. On the other side, my churro is going to have another eye, just a circle. And then we're going to put one over here, another circle. And then this time, the curve for the smile. I'm going to make little hands that are hugging my other churro here. So bring an arm this way. We're going to go out with 3 lines. On the other side, this churro is going to hug the other one. So make a line, and then those 3 lines again. Super cute. Now when you color it in, you can make these little lines that go down on each churro. I'm going to make them in brown. So let's start coloring it in. Here are our churros. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. Please subscribe for brand new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye!